So now we have opened the CHOPCHOP website. There is a target name like EXT1 and the reference sequence or gene name or genomic coordinate. We can also write the reference sequence and assemble here the gene name from the assemble. Here we can select various species like Homo sapien, then Liburohita fishes. Various organisms are present here. Xenopus larva as well, octopus as well, and many other things, bacterias. It's a long list. For example, if we select amaranthus, and here we can also use talent, crisp case 13, crisp case 12, case 9. These are the other options present. So we can also use for knock-in, activation, repression, nanopore enrichment and knockout. So here we are going to perform for knockout. Let's change the target. So we have pasted target for amaranthus and then find the target site. Click on it. So after the loading, we get the sequence in such a way that there are exon and intron and targets. We can also zoom in. Here we can see the rank, target sequence, genomic locations, stand, GC content, self-complementary. So MMOs, MM1, MM2 efficiencies. Result tab as TSV. Here we can also request for genome assembly, search and we can drag to move left and right and scroll it. Now we can see this. If we click one of the sequence here, we can get the result table, gene bank annotation files, the left primer coordinate and left primers, and the right primer coordinates and right primers are given here. There is a rank given, target sequence here, exon plus ATG. They are represented in green and blue. Then here we can see in green and blue, and below this we can see restriction site very below your red and green color. These are the restriction sites. The target, the primer is represented in purple color here. We can see purple color primers. Then the blue and dark blue color targets and exon plus ATG. They are green and blue color. Strip is seen here. We can see here. And that is the sequence is from 5' to 3', and the target sequence it is given GTT, and at the end there is TDG given. We will first select the target sequence from here. For example, I am just copying this target sequence, and after copying the target sequence, we are going to go to the IDT, that is integrated DNA technologies. So here in the IDT we have to go to the CRISPR case 9 guide RNA design check, and then we have to paste the sequence which we have taken here, and if there is 20T PAM we have to just remove this, and so we can remove some. So here we get the result. For proper result, the on target score and off target score must be valid, not nil. So here we can take another sequence for this. And other than that, and for ordering also, for buying something, we can buy the whales, the tubes 96 well plated. So you can move to design customer gene gDNA or search for pre-designed gRNA, and you can search by the gene symbol as accessory number or design ID as per you required the product. So this was all about it. Thanks for watching. To like, share and subscribe Biomindscape.